What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So there's gonna be a short video. Just want to show y'all what happened. I had like a little accident. Unfortunately, everything on the passenger side was damaged, like the fender, the hood, the bumper, the grill, the radiator supporter, the headlight bracket. But I mean, it's just a material, you know. The good thing, I'm okay. The material is replaceable, and so yeah, this is just like a small update. It's just like a small update. So the comeback is gonna be way better, and I'm gonna show y'all all the steps to fix it, like how to put the fenders, the bumper, the grill, everything back, the hood, little by little. Just gotta trust the process. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aquí con el Tacuache Jose. So as y'all saw the first clip weeks ago, I had a small accident, and nothing major, just body damage. And so here's the truck. This is how it looks. Like I said, it's nothing major, just body damage. The motor is good, the radiator is good, the condenser is good. Radiator support, it's a little bit bent, and so the truck right now, in the last video, it was the mechanic shop where I work, but I brought it to my house because it's gonna take time to fix it. At least it's gonna take like 1 month to fix it. But we're gonna be fixing it little by little. The comeback's gonna be way better. You just gotta trust the process. When the truck is done, it's gonna have a new look. So y'all stay tuned for that. And so last week, I bought the parts. It took me long to find these parts because, I mean, when you see these parts for sale, they go quick. Like if you don't buy them, they go like in 2 days, 3 days. But here I have the new ESTE hood. Y'all can see the paint is starting to fall right here. I got the new fender, the passenger fender. I got the new grill. And this is the old bumper. As y'all can see, it has this dent right here in the middle. Hopefully in the body shop they can fix that so I can reuse the front bumper, so I don't have to buy another one. Because I mean, they're kind of expensive. They're like $250, $300. And also I'm going to need, if I reuse this bumper, I'm going to need to replace these brackets because they're all bent. They're not gonna line up. Pero así, aquí tenemos todas las partes. Y este bumper de aquí, este bumper de atrás, se lo quité a mi troca porque cuando la reca estaba subiendo mi troca, estaba raspando bien feo, como está bien bajita. Así que se lo quité y así de volada, con más facilidad, subieron mi troca y así no rasparon ni nada. Pero sí, aquí tenemos todas las partes, que la parrilla, el cofre, la fender. Y pues mañana voy a llevar todas estas partes con un camarada para que las pinte todas blancas. Y como dije, acabando esta troca, la troca va a tener un nuevo look. Así que ten al pendiente. Y pues va a tomar como un mes, pero pues poco a poco hay que confiar en el proceso. Y en el próximo video les voy a enseñar el nuevo proyecto, la nueva mamalona del canal. Así que estén al pendientes. Let's get it. Alright, guys, so tomorrow I'm going to take all these parts to one of my friends who works in a body shop, so he can paint all the parts white. Like I said, after I finish putting everything back together on my truck, it's gonna have a different look. So y'all stay tuned. Little by little, we just gotta trust the process. Alright, guys, so right now I think I'm gonna be taking off my side mirrors because I want them to get paint all this white. I think that's gonna look really sick. So I'm gonna show you the process of how to take them off. It's really easy. It's only 3 bolts. But on these trucks, you're gonna take off the whole door panel. But it's not difficult. It's easy. It's just, I'll show you right now the steps. It's not difficult. But yeah, this is how the mamalona is looking right now. This fender right here is good. The LEDs on the driver's side are good, but all the LEDs on the passenger side are gone. It has this one right here, but the rest are gone. And yeah, right here in the radiator support, it has a little bend. No big deal, easy fix. But yeah, guys, so it was only body damage. But let's begin with the video. Bueno, raza, y ahorita lo que vamos a hacer es que voy a quitar aquí los espejos de al lado, porque quiero también que me los pinten todos blancos. Creo que eso se va a mirar muy bien, muy padre en la troca. Así que para quitar esto está fácil, solo son 3 tornillos aquí en el lado. Pero para estas trocas hay que quitar todo el panel de la puerta de adentro para poder quitar este, porque el cable corre hasta adentro, hasta el medio. Es el cable de la conexión para que los vidrios se ajusten, así para que ustedes puedan espejear mejor. Y pues sí, como dije, así es como la troca se mira ahorita. Aquí tiene una dentadura bien pequeña, pero eso se puede arreglar fácil. Y esta fender de aquí está bien, esta no le pasó nada. Pero sí, así es como se mira. La mamalona ahí. Alright guys, so here's the three. It has 3 nuts, one in the top, 2 in the bottom, and then the cable right here goes all the way to the middle. So for 2000 to 07 Silverado, you have to remove the door panel to unplug the side mirrors plug. But I mean, it's not difficult. It's just for work, but not difficult. So let's begin with this video. Alright guys, so to remove the inside door panel, it has one bolt right here. Then you need to take this door handle cover right here. And then it has one more bolt right here, one in the other side. And I think that's it. I think it has like 2 in the bottom. It has 1 in the bottom. So let's begin. So first we're gonna take this little cap off. Yeah, it has right there a torque bit. Then it has another one over here. And okay, so this one is just like a self-tapping screw. So this tool right here, it comes in clutch with everything. All the torque bit screws. So that one, yeah, right side. So I'm gonna take it off. We're gonna take off the door handle cap right here. All right, guys. So we're gonna take off this 7mm little bolt, and I think it has another one on the bottom. Alright, so we got it right here. Small 7mm screw. Another one on the bottom, 7mm screw. We got the DS18 Pro right here with the DS18 tweeter. If y'all didn't see my last video, I put like a small clip of how my sound system sounds, so y'all go check it out. Alright guys, so I gotta take off these 3 screws on my DS18 tweeters. One more bolt right here. You remove this. And then y'all gonna do like pressure up because it has like multiple clips on the inside. Okay, so this is the side mirror cable right here. Let's see that. So it has like tape on the inside and some clips right here. So we're gonna take those off so we can remove the side mirror. Graba aquí. Alright guys, so this is the 3 nuts it has. Alright guys, so it's simple like that. So on the other side, y'all are gonna do the same step, same process to take the side mirror off. So I hope y'all like the video. I hope this was helpful. And like I said, on the next video, I'm gonna show y'all the new project truck. So y'all stay tuned. A lot of great things coming on the way. And so that's it for this video, guys. I hope y'all have a good day and see ya next time.